circles and spheres. And I forgot about the last thing. And we're making sphere cookies. And when you put them in the oven, what will happen? It will blow up.
Wait, they don't blow up when you put them in the oven. They flatten when you...
Flatten down in the oven. Sphere is a ball. Sphere is a ball. Sphere, sphere, sphere is a ball. Let's cook. Let's start with the batter. Always you have to use batter. We're gonna dump the batter in there, people. Scissors. Hey, kitchen scissors. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna use this with your mommy and dad watching. Because my mom's courting me so she can see. So let's watch. Never put us in this. Are you kidding me? Open this. Me. Is that okay? We're pouring this into a sphere bowl. This butter is in a rectangle prism. All of this. And my mom. Bye bye. Bye bye. Where's my head? There's a sphere in my pocket. And it's an egg. Sorry, guys. Be careful of this because last time I shoot it in my head. Teaspoon of vanilla. And be careful of this. By a tablespoon of water. I dumped it on the butter. Now we use the blender.
Oh.
Who turned the blender on me? Me. Who turned the blender on me? On me. On me. Turn the blender. We're going to make spheres and put them on a rectangle tray. Rectangle tray. I can make sphere.
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 Sphere. Sphere. Steer.
A steer?
Yeah. We are going to pick one out and roll it into a sphere. Let's get cooking. You guys never eat this. Never eat raw eggs. Wah, wah, wah.
Ivy, what's a 3D ball?
3D.
No, what is a 3D ball? We've been talking about it all day.
I know that.
We're making it. You're rolling it.
I forgot.
What?
What? Look at all those spheres. Comment down below what your favorite sphere is and send it to me, please.
What's your favorite sphere?
A heart? While we're waiting for the cookies, we are gonna watch a short video of a metamorphosis. And sorry, we're not gonna watch it, we're gonna watch me do it.
First, the caterpillar starts out as a teeny tiny egg. Then it comes out as a wiggly caterpillar. And it eats and eats and eats. Next, its skin hardens into a chrysalis. Finally, the butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. It has beautiful wings. It can fly away.
First, what happens? It turns into a little egg. Then, it breaks out of the egg and eats a lot of food. Then, after that, it turns into a chrysalis. Then, the chrysalis the chrysalis breaks and it turns into a beautiful butterfly with the wind blow on the wings. Bye, you guys. See you next time. The cookies are done. Look at all these circle cookies. They're flattened now. I just want to pick one up, but it's pretty. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you watch more videos.